FitOn Pro Ultimate Fitness App. The pros, the cons. Most people assume free fitness apps are limited, but FitOn Pro Ultimate Fitness App offers a surprisingly robust platform for home workouts. You won't believe how many options it provides for users of all fitness levels. On the plus side, the app delivers hundreds of workouts from height and strength training to yoga, Pilates and dance. Classes are led by celebrity trainers and vary in duration, so you can squeeze in a 10-minute burn or a full 60-minute session. The app tracks progress, integrates with fitness trackers and offers customized plans based on your goals, whether it's weight loss, toning or overall health. Community features, including challenges and leaderboard rankings, help maintain motivation. FitOn also includes wellness content like meditation and stretching sessions, giving a holistic approach to health. Video instruction is clear and TS-friendly, making it easy to follow at your own pace. On the downside, while the app is feature-rich, some premium content is locked behind a subscription. Users may also need extra equipment for certain strength-based workouts. Additionally, live streaming classes require a stable internet connection to avoid interruptions. In conclusion, the FitOn Pro Ultimate Fitness App offers a flexible, comprehensive and user-friendly platform for anyone looking to work out at home. Its mix of varied classes, celebrity trainers, and goal-oriented programs make it a strong contender in the digital fitness space. Despite the minor limitations of subscription content and equipment needs, it's an excellent app for building consistency, tracking progress, and staying motivated.